Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Ever wondered how brands effortlessly reach their target audience on Facebook with the eye-catching ads? Well, the secret lies in the white label Facebook ads. Are you struggling to make an impact with your Facebook advertising campaign? Do you want to harness the power of the social media marketing but don't have the resources or the expertise? As a top tier professional in the marketing industry, I have just unlocked the power of a white label Facebook ad, and today I am here to show you how it can transform your business. With the white label Facebook advertising, you can take your brand to the next level by leveraging the expertise of a seasoned professionals who design, manage and do the optimization for your campaigns for the maximum impact. At Softtrix, we understand the importance of the Facebook advertising for businesses of all sizes. With the Softtrix white label Facebook advertising, you can expect customized ad campaigns tailored to your specific business goals, target audience segmentation to reach the audience customers, compelling ad creatives that drive the engagement and the conversions, ongoing optimization to maximize your return on investment, detailed reporting and the analytics to track your campaign performance. That's why we have developed our white label Facebook advertising service designed to take your advertising efforts to the next level. Don't take our words, see what our clients say about us.
Hi there, this is a video testimonial for Softtrix Tech Solutions. I've been working with
Brenda, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Jay and his wonderful team.
My name is Joshua Hawkins, owner of the Digital Gurus. I've been working with Softtrix now for over 3 years.
Marketing and affiliate marketing in general, we have many tasks to do, including media buying, content managing, building a website, managing the SEO of it.
Don't waste time and resources on trial and error. Trust the experts to drive real measurable results for your business. Join the ranks of successful brands and elevate your online presence with the white label Facebook advertising. It's time to make an impact, stand out from the crowd and achieve your marketing goals like never before. Contact us today to unlock the full potential of white label Facebook advertising and watch your business soar to the new heights.